Hi students, this is T. Balakrishna, Chemistry Lecture, GPT Kottagudem. Today our topic is natural rubbers, especially natural rubbers. Definition of rubber. The high molecular weight organic polymer having elasticity property are called natural rubber. A high molecular weight organic polymer having elasticity property are called rubbers. Here, the polymer having elasticity property are called rubber. What is meant by elasticity? The greatly deformed by an external force and recover rapidly when the load is removed is called elasticity. So, which polymers have elasticity property? Such polymers is called rubbers. Which polymers have plasticity property? Such type of polymers is called plastics. So, polymers are mainly classified into two types. One is plastic, another one is a rubber. Which polymers have elasticity property is called rubbers. Which polymers have plasticity property is called plastics. So today our topic is rubber. So that means which polymer have elastic property. Such type of polymers is called rubbers. Here elasticity means greatly deformed by external force and recover rapidly when the load is removed is called elasticity. So some example, a natural rubber, it is also called as polyisoprene. So next, natural rubber. The natural rubber is an elastic material that is obtained from rubber trees. A, milk, a milky liquid called latex drips out from V-shaped cuts are made on the trunks on rubber trees. Students saw this picture. So it is in a rubber tree. We collect the milky liquid. That milky liquid is called latex. The latex is contain 30 to 40 percentage of rubber. So this latex is uh, only contain 30 to 40 percentage of rubber. Remaining is other chemicals. So the amount of rubber in the latex varies from 30 to 40% depending upon the age of the tree. So that means the latex is contain 30 to 40 percentage of rubber. So next one, how to extract the 30 to 40% of raw rubber from latex. That is called preparation of natural rubber from latex. So the latex is contain 30 to 40 percentage of raw rubber that is extracted from the latex, that is called natural rubber or raw rubber. Okay. So latex, this is extracted from the rubber tree. That latex is contain 30 to 40 percentage of rubber. So it is diluted to 15 to 20% by adding of water. So that is called diluted latex. Then we add acetic acid or formic acid. Then we add acetic acid or formic acid, which form coagulated. That means the dot-like mass. It is obtained as a white and dot-like mass called as coagulum. So when you add the acetic acid and formic acid, they form a dot-like mass. So then it is then sheeted and rolled and filtered and rolled. So remove the another chemicals from the latex, that is called filtration, and you apply some mechanical energy to it is converted into rolling, and that means it is converted into sheets. Next, that is called uh, that is called raw rubber. Okay, the latex is diluted from 30 to 40% to 15 to 20% by adding of water and then add acetic acid or formic acid. Then we filtered and rolled, we get raw rubber. Okay, right? So this raw rubber have some, this natural rubber or raw rubber has some disadvantages, some characteristics. It has high water absorption capacity. This raw rubber have high water absorption capacity. It has high elasticity nature. It becomes soft at high temperature and brittle at low temperature. It has working temperature of 10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Students, so here it is a natural rubber. Natural rubber chemical name is polyisoprene. Polyisoprene. In this polyisoprene, monomer is isoprene. Monomer is isoprene. This first you want to know the structure of polyisoprene. First we know the structure of isoprene. So this is a natural rubber. It is also called as polyisoprene. In this polyisoprene monomer is isoprene. Here many number of isoprenes are combined to form polyisoprene. The polyisoprene structure is CH2 double bond C single bond C CH2. Okay. Uh, so that is the molecular formula is C5H8. Isoprene molecular formula is C5H8. This IUPAC name is 2-methyl 1,3 butadiene. 2-methyl 1,3 butadiene. If you want to write the structure of polyisoprene, first you know the structure of isoprene. What is the IUPAC name of isoprene? 2-methyl 1,3 butadiene. I try to explain the structure of isoprene. You already learned in previous classes, that means 10th class, IUPAC name nomenclature. So I try to explain this nomenclature of this C5H8 isoprene structure. So it has 1 comma 3 butadiene. Buta means 4 carbons. Buta means 4 carbons. Meth, eth, prop, but, penta. Meth means 1 carbon. Eth means 2 carbons. Prop means 3 carbons. But means 4 carbons. So it is buta. But means 4 carbons. Buta. Di means 2. Mono, di, tri, tetra. So di means 2. Diene. Ene means double bond. Ene means single bond. Ene means double bond. Ine means triple bond. So here ene means 2. Ene means double bond, but it has two double bonds. So where the double bonds are present in this molecule? 1 comma 3. So you numbering the carbons 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 and 4. Okay. So where the double bonds are present in this molecule? First and third. In first position it has one double bond. First position it has one double bond. The first position, second position, and third position. Third position is also one double bond. Remaining are single bonds. Remaining are single bonds. Remaining are single bonds. Remaining are 1 comma 3 butadiene, and it has 2 methyl. Methyl means CH3 group. So the CH3 group is present in second position. So second position is in a second position. Second position. Okay. Methyl means CH3 group. It is a CH3. CH3. Okay. So every carbon have 4 bonds. So this carbon have only 2 bonds. Remaining 2 are hydrogen. So it is a CH2. Okay. This has 4 bonds. No, it has only 3 bonds. So we kept one hydrogen. Okay. This carbon has 2 bonds. So this is remaining 2 are hydrogens. This is uh, isoprene. This is isoprene molecular structure. This is isoprene molecular structure. Okay. So see this CH2, CH3, CH2. Okay. This is the structure of isoprene. If you know the structure of isoprene, you automatically write the structure of polyisoprene. That is called natural rubber. Thank you. Thank you, students. This is T. Balakrishna, chemistry lecturer, GPT, Kottagudem.